Why are there not more people talking about Perplexity AI? It's not just another chatbot. This thing is changing how we search. Let me show you why everyone's sleeping on the next big thing in AI. Welcome back to day 9 of 30 days 30 AI tools. Today, we're diving into Perplexity AI, the search engine that actually talks back and shows its work. Forget endless tabs and sketchy sources. This AI pulls real-time info, cites where it finds it, and updates itself constantly. I asked Perplexity, what's the easiest way to start a side hustle in 2025? Instantly, it gave me a breakdown, step by step, with legit sources and even links to go deeper. Not just a summary, but real actionable info. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps. No matter if you're a student, creator, or researcher, this is your new productivity cheat code. Try it for your next YouTube script, blog post, or even homework. Drop a comment with what you want me to ask it next, and don't forget to subscribe for more underrated AI tools.